बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी, छाँव है कभी कभी है धूप जिंदगी, हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो, जो है समा कल हो न हो। हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी, छाँव है कभी कभी है धूप जिंदगी, हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो, जो है समा कल हो न हो।
Time we are about to begin the burial ceremony. First, let me on behalf of both families welcome you all to Sukh Shadi Bhakti Mandali, branch of Swaha, to the ceremony this evening. On behalf of both families, we say appreciative of your presence and welcome, Professor. We appreciate your presence and we ask you this evening, the wedding ceremony shall be very meaningful and to the point. We apologize for any inconveniences that we experience. They have tried their best, the family has tried their best to make sure your stay this evening will be a beautiful one, exciting one, and also educational. As we begin, in your mind, Sri Ganesh, I know. Om Pavitra Pavitro Sarvavastangatopi Vayasmare Pundarika Chasavabhyantar Suchi Adokanapatim Bande Vignasham Vinayakam Rishi Shudev Vistapam Amarabhai Bol Sri Gajanan Swami Ki Jai. Thank you very much. You may take your seats. पृथ्वी माता नमो नमः। ओम पृथ्वी त्वया गीता लोकत्वां हरे माधवी पर्जन्तु चासनम। बोल श्री पृथ्वी माता की जय। निमाय गणेश गौरी नमो नमः। ओम जयंती मंगला काली भद्रकाली कपालिनी दुर्गा क्षमा शिवा धात्री स्वाहा स्वधा नमस्ते। ओम गजाननं भूतगणादि सेवितं कपितजम्बूफलसार भक्षणम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारकं नमामि विघ्नेश्वरपादपङ्कजं। बोल श्री गजानन स्वामी की जय। गौरी माता की जय। हेमंत श्री नवग्रह देवता नमो नमः। ओम ब्रह्मा मुरारी स्थितिकांतिकारी भानु शशि भूमि सुतो बल शशि किशनि राहु केतु सर्व शांति भवतु। ओम नव शांति पृथ्वी शांति रापा शांति रौषध्या शांति वनस्पति शांति ब्रह्मा शांति सर्वम शांति शांति रेवा शांति रिद्धि शांति सामा। ओम शांति शांति। श्री नवग्रह नमो नमः। प्रसन्न if that we can go easy one again, light it up. Here. Lakshmi Mata Namo Diya Klavati. Lakshmi Mata Namo Nama. Om Lakshmi Kravatu Kalyanam Arogyam Sukha Sampadam Mama Shatrujna Shahidi Pijuta Namaste. Om Sarvage Sarvagare Sarvadusha Bhayankari Sarvadukare Devi Mahalakshmi Namaste. ओम सिद्धि बुद्धि पदे देवी भुक्ति मुक्ति प्रदायिनी मंत्र मुक्ति सदा देवी महालक्ष्मी नमस्ते। ओम या देवी सर्वभूतेषु लक्ष्मी रूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। लक्ष्मी माता नमो नमः। ओम सर्वभावना Bhushan, Bhasan Sri, again Devita, please welcome Pativita. Listen, again Devita Namo. Can you give help for God? But this is absolutely fine. Archman. Om Sarvabhavidhyam Nirmalanjanamachmanancha Vishatam Pradvihitamati Achmanyam. Again, Devata Namo Namah. Mukherjee. Om Sriman Mahaganadhipati Swaha Sri Gauri Mata Swaha Panchlokalevaya Swaha Sri Agilevaya Swaha Sri Mahalakshmi Matadhyo Namo Namah Swaha Sri Mahavishnupadadhyo Namo Namah Swaha Prithvi Matadhyo Namo Namah Swaha Sri Navgrihayadhyo Namo Namah Swaha Om Namo Narayanaya Swaha Sarvadevata Sarvadevyo Namo Namah Swaha. Om Vanaspati Sudhupaganham Ma'avim Sarvevanam Dhupayam Bhutiham Iti Dhupam. Again, Devata Namo Namah. Prasanam. Ashram. Om Sarvabhavidhyam Nirmalanjanamachmanancha Vishatam Pradvihitamati Achmanyam. And much. About the fire, again Devata Namo Namah. Challenges, can you please come? You will be come on side. Shri Krishna Govinda Namo Namah. Krishna Arpan. It's Swasti. Take it. All right. Right. Take it, give it to him. Okay. Right. But I'd like to welcome, first of all, members of the Shilpa Board of Swaha Mandal, Professor Dr. Prakash Prasad, who is the spiritual leader of the Diva Ashram and his family. I'd like to recognize also Padmaja Prasad, spiritual leader of Sri Ram Dham and Devamatan. There may be other panelists also. I will not be able to recognize at this point in time. Concerning that, and many special guests in the audience. So to all of you, special blessings and welcome. And I told you all certain things may not be happening. I personally, you want to blame me for this. I find it a bit, troublesome. That when a wedding progress, you have to explain what you do. If we have to explain what is ours, then something is wrong. If you want to plan out a wedding, come to ceremonial service in any of Swaha temples, all some functions are explained, all. So if you want to know about it, come to Sister Swaha, any one of the branches, starting with this one, Devamatan, Sani Grandi, Shagonas, anywhere you have a branch. So I will explain certain things not necessary, but we expect to give a run commentary wedding going on. I'll quote from Gita, Krishna Bhagavan says that, पहले से अभ्यास करना चाहिए, अभ्यास के बाद ज्ञान, ज्ञान के बाद ध्यान, ध्यान के बाद मनन. So first thing you have to do it. Those who have got married, those who have engaged in the act of wedding, and Hindus should know what it is. When you know what it is, you do it, then you have the right to know why you do it. So that is Krishna Bhagavan's words. So what will be explained will be what is necessary, just for matter of, getting the ceremony forward. But I will not be giving a run commentary on the wedding. To me, I find that unacceptable, especially to a Hindu audience, mainly. A lot of people want to find out what a wedding is all about. These are the days of the internet, all information is there. All. So if you really want to know, do research. And so please all stand and welcome Shiva. Vidura. Why is the question invite the bride and mother father to be on stage? At this point in time, the wedding officially begins. You worship Ganesh Bhagwan. We ask you in your mind, Sri Ganesh Aya Namah. Om Shuklam Varadharam Vishnu Shashi Charubhajam Prasannavanam Dhyayajas Sarvigmupashante. Om Sumukshadantashya Kapilogakarnaka Lambodashya Viganasha Vinayaka Dhurmaketu Ganhanakshu Bhalachandra Gajanana Dwadhishtani Namami Pathetu Yarapi Vidyayam Vivachi Praveshini Manisatha Sangrami Sankachaiva Vignasana Jayate Vridhitunda Mahakaya Koti Surya Samprabha Avignam Kurumi Deva Sarvakareshu Sarvada Om Gananam Tvam Ganapatim Vangam Bhavamahe Nidhinam Tva Nidhipatim Vangam Bhavamahe Priyanam Tva Priyapatim Vangam Bhavamahe Sri Gajanan Swami Namo Namam. Holy Sri Gajanan Swami Ki Jai. Let's come applause. Open it. Ganesh Bhagwan Namo Namah. Om Sarva Padavim Govindaya Ishaya Narayana Achati Sarva. Hold in your father. Right, go back behind you. Let us share with him some here. I go to it on the both fathers. Come on outside. Come on this side. You come on this side. Come in. Here. Good morning, here. Good morning. Right. Sorry, you play music softly. One here, one here. Right, take action and then each one. You put there, you put here. One thing. Right, both of you, that's right. Both of you hold it to your hand. Right. Right. On our side, you hold it, you have to let it fall, right? So there, and you bring it towards the horizontal and touch it 7 times. No, right here. Just forward and back. 7 to 30 horizontal here. You just in here, be like here, right, and carry it back. 7 times here. Om Krishnayam Chatuksharam Sarvani Bhutani Samikshatanam Sarvanatmam Chatusheva Sarvani Bhutanam Samiti Tirasthirta Pachisham Sarvani Bhutanam Athanam Chatusheva. Pick up all on the period, everything I'm pressing here. Everything on the period I'm putting here. Right. Come Shiva. Hold his hand. Put your hand so you put your hand below. Right, hold his hand and bring over. Say Sadhu Baitos. Right. You can sit down. Alright, good. Alright. Okay, put it through, clench your fist. Just one second, inside out. Right. Clench your fist. Put it down and clench your fist. Right. Put down your fist. Now you hold it down, you stay further. Right? Or you tell you where to press it, you press it like that, right? You can't do this. I will tell you where. Put down like this. No, right here, like this. Right, tell you this, right? Om Aham Arasyechu Keshawaya Mukham, in the mouth. Om Namaste Pranaste Nyayaka, Nasika, nose. Om Akshane Marta Chakshidam Netro, not eyes. Om Karmaye Sataye Keshamam, to the both eyes like this. Keep on this one. Om Avahyam Balasakeshtaye, shoulders, convey. Om Udra Keshe Mahashitam Pariutasat, Keshalam chest, chati. Om Ashtarenika Shivam, touch it forward now, take your eye and hold it there. Om Ashtareni Ami Mangalayani Jasnami Meha, Sishi Gauri Gauri Richi Vajiti Jayati Nuttam. Om Hari Om Tachat and Nisparsh, Samapam, Shri Krishna Iduvinai Namo Hari Om Tasat. Naram Namo Namah Hari Om Tasat, Namo Namah Tasat, Om Karaya Namo Namah. Just do what I treat and seats. Release that. Release that. Om Hari Om Tasat. Alright. Shri Gauri Mata Swaha, Panchlokalaya Swaha, Shri Namadevaya Swaha, Shri Devaya Swaha, Om Namah Shivaya Swaha, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Swaha, Om Namo Narayanaya Swaha, Shri Mahadakshmi Matebhyo Namo Namah Swaha, Shri Mahadurga Matebhyo Namo Namah Swaha, Shri Mahasaraswati Matebhyo Namo Namah Swaha, Shri Mahannipurna Devi Swaha, Krishna Govindaya Namo Namah Swaha, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Swaha, Shri Ramachandraya Namo Namah Swaha, Shri Narasimhaya Namo Namah Swaha. Yes. Listen from 25. Yeah. Ashram, Om Sarvapadamaswaramsya, Sri Shaitan Padikita, Ashramyam. Maudi and come again. You really put your hand here. You climb it up. And anytime it is really bigger, you can have. Yeah. Not really? Very good. Om Mitrasya Prajapati Shishi Patitangam Om Karivasya Madhupalpadoshanam Viyugadihari Prasat Madhuparikam Pratigritam Hariyokasat Tammaha. संपन्न वस्रा विष्णु नाम तात्यामि विष्णु एतुभ्यं ब्रह्मलोकहितायते ऋषि भूतानां साक्ष्यं च देवता इरा कन्यादां प्रतिष्ठामि प्रचिति तदनं साक्षात् ओम कन्यादानं महादानं सर्वेषु दुर्लभत तत्यसदैते योगे त्वं विहान फलो मां गौरी कन्यामि सा विप्रयशितिं विकृतां ओम गोत्रस्य शिवाते तुभ्यं जातं विप्यं साक्षितं मम वैश्यसुभातेवं याद दीक्षिणं कलातं तुभ्यं वरं मया देवं कौलनीयं शिव ओ मया दितं गुरुदेवं कौलनीयं जय ओम पुत्रस्य रसकेरितं ओम श्रीकन्यादानं नमो नमः ओम कन्यास्य कन्यादानं कामोदाता कामदातं कामोदाता कामः प्रतिकृतां कमष्टके ओम श्री इति कन्यादानं नमो नमः विष्णु विष्णु नमो नमः. Right. Pass on this right on to Shiva. Just pass it. No, you just pass it in hand. Pass it in hand. Pass it to China. Pass it to Shiva. Right. Press the side. Right. Try this in your mind. Hello, dear. दंप्यत्यो रक्षासुते प्रखातव्रजं कुलकर्योऽहं श्रीदेवदेव कुरु मंगलानानि संतानि विधु कुरु संताज्ञ धानुच्युतिः कुरु इष्टदेव सद्काम पंथि सरिहि ओम तत्सत् ग्रंथि बंधन शुभदाता भवन्तु। At this point in time, we shall begin fast pujas. Who came prepared to make his offering, he will come forward after appearance is finished. Down to us, to the right foot here. Right foot. Look at that. Next to right foot, right, okay. थोड़ी खड़े आ गए, थोड़ी वाटर हो जाएगी। ओम नमो सुनंदाय पुरुषाय शाश्वते सरस्वती खाणः इति खाणः। ठीक नहीं होता हमारा, ठीक है, गेट टू तरह के प्राइस नहीं होता है मनी वन सर बहुत सारी चीज़ हो At this point in time, it is the intention of the bride and groom to have two persons make some comments as they see fit. We have, representing the girls' side, Reshma, is Ms. Christine Sahdev. So I'll call upon her. Give her a mic. I'll call upon Ms. Christine Sahdev will make a comment at this point in time, representing on behalf of Reshma. So Ms. Christine Sahdev.
Sitaram. Well, first let me say a pleasant good evening, and I'm sure all of us are here to certainly join in terms of this big celebration of marriage between Reshma and Shiva. I've been asked to talk really on behalf of Reshma, and I have to up front let you know that Reshma is like a daughter to me. Actually, Ganesh and Reshma's dad went to school together, and I may join Pandit Gyandev too. We are going to tell them which school today.
Tell him.
And one of the best schools in Trinidad and Tobago, they say, but today is Reshma's day. So really, I hope you all, when I really talk about Reshma, you would understand. But those of us here at Sukh Shanti will know what a fine young lady Reshma is. First of all, Reshma has very fine parents, which is both Indra and Toy, who are devotees of this temple here at Sukh Shanti Bhakti Mandali. Reshma has done everything right, I would say. She has done well academically. She has a first degree, a master's, and in a final year in law. So as you can appreciate, Reshma has done things in well. And now she has taken this bold step, she and Shiva, in getting married. So when I had a chat with Reshma, I said, Reshma, you know, you didn't really thank me about this marriage. She was a little confused. She said, Auntie Christine, I don't quite understand. Well, I share with you in the audience today. As you can appreciate, Indra had her own pandit, etc., etc. When we got started with Sukh Shanti, I invited Toy and Indra to become members here. And being such good friends, I don't think they could have said no. So they came the first time, second times. And little did they know, later on, we would see blossoming from actually, and Reshma meeting Shiva right here at Sukh Shanti Bhakti Mandali. So those young people who are with us, you know, there are a lot of opportunities besides spiritual guidance. You see, you can also find love here at Sukh Shanti. So, as I said before, Reshma has really served well here, also at Sukh Shanti. She has been a treasurer here for the last 4 years. And Shiva, I want to tell you something, boy. Your money in real good hands. Once money reaches in Reshma's hands, nobody could get it. You have to bring in boys, you have to say pretty please, all kinds of things. So you know to tell you, particularly with Hindu women, they are supposed to control the purse. You don't even have to think twice. You just give all of it. You may have to say pretty please sometimes, you know. Reshma did an excellent job. So I know certainly, as we all know, you know, in terms of Hinduism, the importance, well, for all religions, but the importance of this holy sacrament of marriage. And we all know there are several areas in which the couple will in fact work together in terms of wealth, in terms of dharma, in terms of all these various important attributes. But you know, when I was talking to Reshma, as I said, my daughter, I said, Reshma, you know, marriage is so important. And I thought I would give her a few tips because as mummies, sometimes our children don't always listen to us. They always listen sometimes to the friends or the mummy friend. And she said, you know, well, Auntie Christine, we have some things in common, you know. We like to travel, so I'm certainly looking forward to traveling. So I know for a fact they will travel a lot. Then she said, you know, I have a little concern, you know, we don't like the same food at all. So she said, you know, he liked pasta, I like my traditional Indian food. So I said, girl, that sounded easy. If I were you, I'd learn to like pasta because pasta cooks in 5 minutes, 7 minutes. So life could get easy. The other recommendation, if you eat what you like 2 days and he eats what he likes 2 days, probably you will stay slim all the rest of your life, and you know. So, but I'm sure you will get a way to work out in terms of what you eat, but I'm sure both of you all will work that out. But then she quickly added, you know, we love sweet things, you know, well, I saw there, all the calories saved will go there, but nonetheless, at least we know they will be able to share some delicacies together. She also hastened to tell me, you know, we love cricket and we love other things. And really, devotees, those of us who are here and married, would realize how important it is for us to have common interests. And certainly, you know, we know in terms of the temple, both of them are very much in terms of Shiva from Gasparillo. But I want to tell Shiva something, you know, that, you know, we know he's taking up Sukh Shanti temporarily and going all the way to Gasparillo. I said all the